Hello and welcome to 5 Exotic Guitar Scales and how to use them effectively. And as the title would indicate, you are going to learn these scales, but you're going to learn how to actually use them. I'm not just going to show you tabs and then say, good luck. On the contrary, I'm going to tell you why these scales work the way they do, how you can use them in your guitar playing, whether or not you know music theory. I'm going to give you the non-music theory side and the music theory side, so you don't have to have any background in understanding theory to take this course. But a great man once said, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So with that in mind, I'm going to tell you what you're going to get with this course. You'll learn how to use these scales with in-depth explanations of how to apply these scales to your own guitar playing in a way that you can understand. There'll be PDFs of notation and tabs for all the examples, scale forms, and anything you could need. Each scale has its own explanation, its own example section, its own performance section, and backing tracks, so you can practice what you've learned and put it into action. In case you don't know who I am, hi, my name's Tyler Larson. I am the founder of Music Is Win, the creator of Guitar Super System Level 1 and 2, as well as the best beginner guitar course ever. I have thousands of students, hundreds of 5-star reviews, so if you're ready to learn the coolest guitar scales in the world and add a whole new dimension to your guitar playing, let's get started with 5 exotic guitar scales and how to use them effectively.